Amanoman.
Huh?
Where are you from?
Sugak.
Solom's. Huh?
Professor.
Usakhalela umama womntanakho. Yekela utshwala.
Stop drinking.
Into zakho zizovuleka. Sezwana?
Your things will open. Can you hear me?
Amanoman mama. Where are you from?
Sugapi.
Makaya. All right. Ipi ID yalo mntana uzibulele.
Apparently.
Was henga. You must bring that ID to me on Sunday. Because izinto zakho zisale pha. Kufuna kulungisa indaba yokuhamba kwalamntana. Uyangizwa? Kwenzeka. Abone sixhomile. All right, give me the ID book.
Professor Papa.
Inhlambululo yamanzi.
Standard Bank Arena, Johannesburg. Kulapho sobe sigeza khona.
Kufuna ugcoke ingubo ezimhlophe. Inkonzo enkulu yensebenzo kamoya. Kulonyaka sithi be fruitful and multiply. Mama nobani?
Mama zala noma
Ha?
yena.
Uphumya na?
Na ngiyaphephe.
Biza.
Uzukisi kwani?
Who?
Uzukisi kwani?
Zugis Kwang.
Msukisi kwanga. Yenakho.
It's your husband.
Your problem started 16 August.
Tata.
You
Yes, sir.
remember what happened 16 August?
Kusole kumama.
Your mother died 16 of August. It was a car accident.
Professor.
That's where your problem has started already. That's why yonke into ivalekile.
That's why everything is.
Nakulo mshado kuyabheda yonke into.
Even in this marriage, things are not well.
Lead umfazi lo naye isibingelelweni. Makuvuleke namhlanje.
Let it be open today.
Can I prophesy? Doors must open for you. Doors must open for you. So shall it be. Can never be otherwise. uNkulunkulu uthi ngithandazele 10,000 apples. Wonke umuntu akeze azothatha iapula elithandazelwe ukuze kulunge izinto zakho. Abangathola abantwana bazothola abantwana. Abantu abangathola imisebenzi bathola imisebenzi. Ngifuna ungizweke. There are buses in every province. Details are on the screen. Lena, it's a national event. Ngisebenza isizwe njengomprofeti wesizwe. Remember, 2026, a year of higher dimension. God bless you.